Baby, it's cold outside. Hi, this is Trey with How and Trey Go Too Far. Today, I'm making homemade chicken and dumplings to snuggle all your wintertime blues away. I'm making this easy version of chicken and dumplings and showing you how to make dumplings 2 ways, all in one quick video. But before I do, friends, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alrighty, let's get started. These are the ingredients you will need for the stock of the stew and a can of chicken broth. For the dumplings, you will need the following. If there's any, remove the neck, gizzards, and heart from the chicken and wash the chicken thoroughly. And wash all surrounding areas to prevent cross-contamination. Once you have your chicken in the pot, add all of your vegetables, spices, and enough water to cover the chicken in the pot. Cover the pot, but leave a small opening to allow some of the air to escape. Let your chicken simmer. While the chicken is simmering, start your dumplings. Add your 2 cups of flour, your half and half, butter, and stir. Mix the butter into the flour until you get a crumbly consistency, like this. Slowly begin to add your water until your dough starts to form. As your dough forms, it will begin pulling from the sides of the bowl, like this. Add flour to the surface and prepare to knead the dough. Do not over-knead. We do not want tough dumplings. Periodically, you'll want to add flour to your rolling pin so it doesn't stick to the dough. Using a knife or pizza cutter, you want to cut your dumplings into squares like this. Your dumplings should be about 1/8 of an inch thick. Now for a slight pause. If you prefer a fluffier dumpling like the one you see in the thumbnail, then you want to substitute the 1 cup of water for 1 1/2 cups of water, and your consistency should look like this. When you place your dumpling in your soup base, you want to spoon it off like I just demonstrated. Unfortunately, I did not get that in the video. Okay, back to the chicken. If your chicken is done, remove it from the pot and throw away the thyme and the bay leaves. Next, remove the bones from the chicken, shred the chicken, and set aside. Now to your soup base, add all of your cream soups. Okay, add your half and half and your chicken stock. Now my soup is going to look a little thin, but I did come back later and I added the balance of my cream soups, so it will thicken up. I added a little parsley to add a bit of freshness and taste. Okay, now it's time to start adding the dumplings to the pot or spooning your fluffy dumpling mix into the pot. Unfortunately, again, I'm sorry, I was not able to get the footage to show you this demonstration. Make sure you pay close attention to your pot because you don't want it to scorch. So don't turn your stove up too high. Look how creamy and rich that is, and it smells delicious. I'll also show you what it looks like using the fluffy dumplings, which is my favorite. Look at that. Moist and fluffy at the same time. Ooh, that's delicious.